Today I'm going to discuss how to factorize with the technique. Let me give you 4 examples. So first of all, x square plus 6x plus 8. We have to factorize this, and another example I will give you here. Same example, but a little bit of change. X square minus 6x. So what exactly we're going to do here? We have to see what is the constant and what is the coefficient of x square. So it is 8 and coefficient of x square. There's nothing written here. That means the coefficient of x square is 1. So 8 ones are 8. So we have got 8. Now we have to make maximum. Factors. All the factors of 8. So first factor will be 8 into 1. Other one is 4 into 2. So we can have maximum 2 factors. So what exactly we need to do with this so that we can get 6, the coefficient of x. So we will know what exactly we can do only 2 things. Either we have to add them or we have to subtract one from other number. We'll know this from the sign of constant. If the sign of constant is plus, like here in both the cases, then we'll have to add them to get 6. So if you see 8 plus 1 will give me 9, whereas 4 plus 2 will give me 6. So that means this is the right factor. So in this case, when you do this, that means you have to add 4 into 2. When you add 2 numbers, both the numbers should have same signs. Either they will have plus signs or they will have minus signs. If the sign of coefficient of x, which is 6 here, is minus, then both will be minus. If the sign of coefficient of x is plus, then both will be plus. So if I say plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, it will give me plus 6. And if I say minus 4 minus 2, this will give me minus 6. So let's factorize both of them considering the same logic. So now x square plus 4x plus 2x plus, and this one will be x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. If you want to confirm your factors are correct, you just add both of them. Solve both of them. Both the x coefficients, you should get this answer. So you see here minus 4x minus 2x will give you minus 6x. That means our factors are correct. Here also plus 4x plus 2x will give me plus 6x. X is common. Now further you'll get x plus 4 because x you have taken common. So there were 2x multiplying here. One of x has been taken common, another one is inside, and in 4x, x is taken out as common, 4 is left. So now plus 2 is common, and we will get x plus 4. Again the same thing, x square minus, it will be x will take common, and this will be x minus 4 now. And minus 2 is common, we'll get x minus 4. Here x plus 4 is common in both, so let me close the bracket. So x plus 4 is common, and you will get x plus 2. So this is how we have done the factorization of given expression, x plus 4 into x plus 2. And here x minus 4 into x minus 2. So you see here the coefficient of x was plus, so you got both plus over here. Here it was minus, so both of constants in the factors are also minus. And let's take another example. So let's solve these two. Also here if you notice that both the constants have minus signs. So now first of all we'll see what is the product of constant and the coefficient. 10 ones are 10, so that means the product is 10. So what are the factors? It is 10 into 1, other one is 5 into 2. In this case we're getting just 2 factors, but there can be more. But we have to, using the same logic, we have to pick the correct factor for us. So here, what we need to do with them? Either we have to add them or we have to subtract one from others. So since the sign of constant is minus, in both the cases, so we'll have to do a subtraction. So if I subtract 1 from 10, I'll get 9, but I need 3. So this is not right, this is wrong. If I subtract 2 from 5, I'll get 3. So I need 3, so this is the correct one. Now when you subtract 1 from another number, that means both numbers should have different signs. Which one will have which sign? Now here, if the coefficient of x is minus, then the bigger number will be minus. Minus 5 plus 2 will give me minus 3. So that means this is fit for this one, because here this is minus, so minus 5 plus 2 will give you minus 3. So I can write down these factors: x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. And this one, we need plus 3x. So here 5 will be plus and 2 will be minus. So this will give you plus 3. So now the factor would be, for this algebraic expression, x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. You can confirm minus 5x plus 2x will give you minus 3x, plus 5x minus 2x will give you plus 3x. So that means both are correct. So now let's take common. X minus 5 plus 2, I will give you again x minus 5, because 2 5s are. So x common again here for this expression as well. X plus 5 minus 2 common, so this will give you x, because minus is taken as a common, so inside sign will change to plus, x plus 5. Here let's come back to the first algebraic expression. Here x minus 5 is common, x minus 5 common, and we will get x plus 2, and here x plus 5 is common, so we get x minus 2. So you notice here, if your coefficient of x is minus, first of all, if your coefficient of sign of constant is minus, you will have different signs, and you will do a subtraction between them, between the in order to get the factors. And if coefficient of x is minus, then the bigger number will be minus, any minus 5. And here, since it is plus, you get plus 5, and the smaller number will be minus. If you have any question, you can always send me a message. I can explain you in more details. Thank you.